Alright guys, so I'm going to be transforming my 2005 SRT4 with parts that I've accumulated over some time. This is going to be a short video explaining what's going on to my car, so let's get into it. So first up I have is a wingless Dodge Neon trunk with a carbon fiber PVO lip on it that I'm going to have to redo the clear coat on it, which isn't going to be that horrible. It's pretty clean aside from that, and I'm going to repaint it stone white to match the car. I also just picked up these LED depot taillights for a good deal. My dash pad, just like every other SRT4 out there, is all cracked. And I picked up one of these fresh ones. So I can't wait to put that in. I also scored this gorgeous carbon fiber radiator shroud. And I decided to change it up a bit with a shaved, polished valve cover. I'm gonna have to repolish it due to the fact that there's a little bit of oxidation on it, but the previous owner did a pretty good job at doing the polishing. And I also have this intake manifold that I have powder coated white. Not too sure if I'm gonna keep it white or maybe go with a wrinkled black. And last but not least, I have a rear passenger door that I'm going to be replacing. I have a small dent on mine and the paint is chipped, but luckily enough I'm able to keep my car in the garage so it's not starting to rust, but it's something that I've been wanting to change out for a while, and it's definitely cheaper getting a door than to have to send the door out for paint. So all in all, those are the parts. It's not a lot, I know, but they're small parts that added up. It's gonna really change the way that my car looks. Right now, I've had this car looking like this for, no lie, maybe about 10 years. I've had the car for 13. It is big turbo. It has a Borg-Warner S257 in it, stock motor, pretty much full bolt-on exhaust, intake, big intercooler, the whole 9 yards. But it's time for me to do a little bit on the outside, and it's stuff that I've been slowly purchasing here and there and finding deals on Facebook Marketplace and whatnot. I'm excited to see the ACR wheels on it. It's not a true ACR. I do have the ACR seats, and I'm excited. I'm going to get new tires for the wheels. I've had the same tires on the car for, unfortunately, a really long time. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited to put all these parts on, get everything changed up on the car. I'm going to be taking you along for the ride, and I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to have a certain playlist for this on my channel. But yeah, I hope you guys are going to enjoy the content, and just stay tuned. Take care.